Hi, Tim Unkert from htmltim.com here. In this video, I want to discuss adding multiple cursors in the Pulsar Text Editor. So one way we can do it is you can click and then hold Control and click and click and click. And that's nice. But maybe I just want to be able to quickly add cursors above in the same row or below in the same row. Well, there is a way I can do that. I can go to Add Selection Above, and I could, search this up in the command palette with Control-Shift-P, and I could select Add Selection Above. Okay, and it would add a selection above, and I could do that, add selection above and do that. But there's got to be a keyboard shortcut. And you can see here when I go to Add Selection Above, I have Alt-Shift-Up. Okay, let's try that. So I'll do Alt-Shift-Up. Oh, wait, that doesn't work on a Chromebook. But that's okay because I can remap these key bindings. So I'm going to bring up the settings here with Control, comma, and I'm going to go to Key Bindings, and then I'm going to search for Add Selection. And you see, as I start to type Add Selection, it gives me Add Selection Above and Add Selection Below. Okay, so what I can do is I can copy one of these by just clicking on it like that, and then up here I can change them in my key map file. So I'm just going to click here, and this is my key map file. And all this stuff is commented here. This explains a bit on how to modify your key map file. You can check it out if you like. But below the comments, I'm just going to paste this in, and so for Add Selection Above, instead of Alt-Shift-Up, I think I'll change it to Control-Shift-Up. So I'll do CTRL for Control, and I'll save. Okay, let's test it out. So I'll place my cursor here and do Control-Shift-Up, and look at that. Pretty nice. So now I can say that this is a really cool list item. Okay, and to get out of it, I can just do Escape. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's say I want to add selection below. Okay, well, and you'll see it has my user-defined key map here. Well, I can go to Alt-Shift-Down, copy this, and now I can paste it into here, and I can type Control-Shift-Down, but watch this. When I go to save, it gives me an error. The reason being is I have this Atom Workspace, Atom Text Editor, not Mini defined twice. So all I really need to do to fix that is just delete this out, and I'm just going to put a comma in between them. And now I'm going to save it. Now if I go back, and I can do Control-Shift-Down, and look at that. And I can say something like, this is really, or this is a really cool list item. Okay, and I can go back here and Control-Shift-Up still works. So I could type something else. I don't know. Maybe I want to take Control and just get rid of some of the stuff here. And I could do that, move my cursor and delete it like so. So I can do Control-Shift-Up now and Control-Shift-Down for Add Selection Above and Add Selection Below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.